In this video, I'm going to review Google Sheets and explain why it's one of the most popular spreadsheet tools available today. Google Sheets is a free, web-based alternative to Excel that offers real-time collaboration, cloud storage, and strong integration with other Google Workspace apps. You can access your spreadsheets from any device, share them easily, and work simultaneously with others. It supports most Excel functions and even allows for automation with Google Apps Script. While it's perfect for most everyday users, it may fall short for heavy-duty data analysis or advanced macros compared to Excel. Still, for teams, students, and professionals looking for a powerful, flexible, and free spreadsheet tool, Google Sheets is hard to beat. The simplicity, sharing capabilities, and cloud-first design make it a strong contender in the productivity space. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel.